we need to find out if anyone in the group wants to add any more to this.
We're almost going to have to add another page.
Melody Brewer and Donna Brooke are family navigators with the Canadian Mental Health Association. Their roles include finding ways to support families as they maneuver their way through what can be complex, trying times, specifically for those who are caregivers of children and youth with mental health or substance abuse issues.
I was a family navigator in the UK for social services, but prior to that I was a family caregiver for 9 years. I think if you've been through a similar situation, whatever that be, that there's a level that you can meet that person on. And it's not going to be the same, but you can empathise.
Hello.
Oh, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, come on in, please take a seat.
Shelley Cameron and her husband noticed changes in their 5-year-old after the death of a family member. At 15, that child began using drugs. Shelley bravely started leaning on the family navigators, who after assessments recommended ways to move forward.
I think there's a lot of stigma around kids with mental illness. I think that as parents, you want to tell your story. I've learned to cautiously pick my audience because not everybody is as understanding as the understanding that I get here.
Caregivers are usually invisible and not really listened to. And that's very wrong, because if we don't look after the caregiver, then we're really doing an injustice to the person that they're caring for. So we really, really need to promote caregivers' health to help them succeed in caring for their child or youth.
Perhaps one of the most valued takeaways from the program for Shelley was learning about acceptance of what she can't change and why.
The mistake we made as parents was not embracing who he was. I honestly think, looking back now, what had a bigger impact was not his behavior, but it was our behavior as parents. It was our inability to cope. From this group, I've gained a lot of confidence. And not just from Melody and Donna, but from the other parents that are here. I think that first session I probably cried a lot. And then throughout the course of the last year, I've gained tremendous strength from talking to like-minded people, people who don't judge.
Making those first steps is really hard to reach out for help. Don't look at it that you've got to contact us and we're going to go straight into do an assessment and we're going to find out all about you. Please know that it's confidential, it's a safe environment. Just come in, have a chat, have a coffee. Let's start, just getting to know each other.
More information is available online or by calling. From Kelowna, for Shaw, I'm Tammy Williams.